Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. My name is Crystal, and on today's video I will be reupholstering the seat on this little vintage vanity stool or sewing stool. I picked this up at an auction. I only paid $1 for it. The seat cover was just really outdated, and there was like some cracking and some like marks and stains on it, so I just wanted to replace that, but I'm going to be keeping the whole bottom. The seat comes off and there is storage on the inside. Check out all of these goodies that were inside that came with it. I can really tell she was a crafty lady. Lots of crochet books, sewing patterns, fabric, canvas. She definitely was into a little bit of everything, and I wonder what she was making. Lots of cut up jeans and bias tape, lace ribbon, and check out the prices on some of this stuff. If only it were still that cheap, right? It's always a lot of fun for me to go through all of the junk I find in these lots that I buy at auctions. And a lot of this stuff I can even use for my own projects, or I can turn around and resell it. I found this absolutely gorgeous fabric at Salvation Army probably like a year and a half ago, and I only paid $2 for it, and I believe there's about a yard, maybe a yard and a half worth of fabric. I think it's going to work perfect with the original dark wood finish on the bottom of this stool. To remove these staples, I am just taking my screwdriver and I'm going underneath of the existing vinyl that is there, and I'm lifting the staple up that way, and that was the easiest way for me to get those staples out. Once I got that vinyl fabric removed from the seat of the stool, I took some pliers and I just pulled out all of the little staples that were left in there because I could only get half of them out with my screwdriver. So very easy, just pull them out, super simple. I misted the top with some spray adhesive, and I found this piece of batting in my stash that was already perfect, cut to size. So I went ahead and applied that to the old padding that was already on the seat, which was not in terrible condition because, I mean, it was covered with vinyl for all these years. I trimmed off all of the excess of this batting, and then with my staple gun, I started stapling this batting down. On the corners, I will fold the left and the right underneath of the corner fold, and then I staple it down. Hopefully that makes sense. You definitely want to get this really tight and really flat. I measured about 4 inches completely around the top of the seat where I needed to cut my fabric, and I used a pencil to trace it out so it did leave a line on the fabric, so I knew exactly where to cut, make my lines nice and straight. And what you guys cannot see in this part of the video is that there is a cat attacking my feet underneath of all of that fabric. Using the spray adhesive again, I'm misting the fabric surface, and then I take that stool top and I'm just kind of centering it on that piece of fabric. The spray adhesive is not necessary, but I do like it because it keeps the fabric from shifting or moving when you are working with it. And then I'm just stapling everything down with my staple gun, making sure to pull it really tight. Again, on the corners, I'm folding the left and the right underneath of the corner fold. Just to clean up that look a little bit better on the underside, I went and stapled everything down on that inside edge piece. I'm using Howard's Restore Finish on the wood of the stool just to rejuvenate it a little bit and revive it and just shine it up and polish it up. I'm just applying some of the Howard's to a paper towel and then I'm rubbing it and buffing it on. Super simple, super easy. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Super simple, easy, quick flip. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to like and subscribe. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thanks again for watching. Bye.